Today in this video I'm going to discuss a very nice smelling perfume, a bit on a woody side, which is called Woody Intense from Arabian Oud. This is really nice smelling, one of my favorite. If you like woody smells or you like mostly woody smells or wood kind of perfume, this is the one you should try. So this is the packaging. You can see over here green, very nice packaging. Here we have this one to open it up, and then we have a button over here to open this one like this, and then we have this button, and when you open it, this is the box. This is how you open it. This is the box inside. Then you just open the box like this, and you have the bottle inside it. So this is a really nice packaging, really nice looking perfume package, one of the best I have seen so far. So then we have this bottle inside it. You can see over here, Majestic Woody Intense. So it is just like a trophy. They have a full Majestic series. The whole series is great. They have Oud Intense or maybe Special Oud. One is simple Majestic, just Majestic. Okay, so this is really nice. So I was in Saudi Arabia, and when I visited Khana Kaaba, or you call Haram, or the holy place of Muslims, mostly when I get the smell when they wash it, the smell was very similar or close to this one, Woody Intense. So I was wondering what is happening. So I kept on finding different perfumes, smelling different scents, and this one I really enjoyed. I actually tested it for like 3 days. So I just get the swab and just spray it and keep on smelling it for 3 days, and then again the next day. In the start I was not very enjoying it a lot, maybe like I was enjoying it 80%. So then after 2 or 3 days I really starting enjoying it. So it is very woody, a little bit of dry, very dry scent, woody, dry, a little bit like maybe 5% powdery, 5% I would say, because it is dry, so it is on the powdery side a little bit. And you can pull this off in summer too. You can use this in summer too. For winters I think it's really great. A lot of male or men, they are really going to love this, even the women, but mostly men. I have shown it to one of my friends, and they really enjoyed it. From like 5 or 6 perfumes they smelled, they really enjoyed this one. They said this is the best one. So Woody Intense Majestic. Okay, so what are the notes? So the actual notes are bergamot, citronella oil, then we have davana, lavender is flower, lavender, then we have rosemary in it, and at the base we have oud, sandal and vanilla. So what I mostly get from it is sandal and vanilla. This is oud, sandal, vanilla mix, the best I have seen. Mostly it stays linear, it doesn't change a lot. I don't smell bergamot in the first spray, or davana and others are citronella. They are basically herbs, they are herb oils, they are mostly aromatic herbs from different plants. So it is totally on the green and woody side. It is not very flowery, just they have added lavender. That is why I think it's a bit powdery, I'm not sure. Anyhow, so mostly it is going to stay linear. It is going to stay the same for like 5 to 6 hours. I think its projection and longevity is good, and maybe 5 to 6 hours maybe. On clothes it is very long. On clothes it is going to stay at least 12 to 16 hours, I guess. So I really enjoyed this one, Woody Intense. I really like woody or sandalwood notes, prominent sandalwood notes in perfumes, and this is one of them. This is vanilla sandalwood mix. There is oud a little bit, but I don't detect much. Then it is a little bit on powdery side, a little bit on dry, very dry. So this is Woody Intense Majestic series. So I hope you have enjoyed this. I have tried to simplify how it actually smells. Don't blind buy it, try to smell it first, because maybe you might not enjoy it or like it. Try to get a sample if you are living in Pakistan. Try to get a sample from Arabian Oud in Karachi, and they might be able to give you a sample. If you enjoy woody kind of scents or dry woody kind of smells, this is for you. If you like this video or you have used this woody intense, try to press the like button and maybe put a comment below. If you haven't tried it, do try it. I will see you soon in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Till then, take care and bye.